Hi, Richard Lewald, Bioenergy Wellness Care, and Jay Addison. We are now going to demonstrate some unique qualities of John Ellison water. Okay, so to begin the process, we're going to always work with my wands. I need to collect some DNA, which could be hair, could be nail, could be skin, could be anything, photographs. In this case, we keep it very authentic. I take these two Q-tips and Jay is going to put some saliva on there, and that will allow us to capture his DNA. Okay. Put in these tubes, then I put them in my wands, or my guns as I call them. And this will get us energetically aligned with the subject, the person that I'm testing. So these are now inserted, one on each side, and as I point it to Jay, it stays pointing at him because it's attuned to him. Like every radio station has its own frequency, his DNA determines his frequency. If I point it to the camera, it says no. If I point it to Thilo, it says no. Back again to Jay, yes. Take a couple of steps sideways. Watch what happens. It wants to follow him. Back. There you are. Okay, so we are in tune. These ones we're tuned into him, and now we're able to measure his life force, his aura, whatever you want to call it, bioenergy field. So we're going to begin to set the baseline. We're going to measure his life force as he sits or stands there, shoes, clothing, whatever else is on him, the hat, everything has energy, okay? And yet energy we cannot see, but we can see the results. So whatever can be measured can be managed, and that's what we're going to do. Okay, here we have Jay, and we're going to check his aura, his life force, his bioenergy field. As long as it stays pointing at him, we're in his energy field. And here we've reached the edge of his energy field right now. Okay, so that's the initial part of his field. So go ahead, grab the first bottle of water, which is tap water. The whole object is to demonstrate the effects of John Ellis water, but here we have plain tap water. And if you look at Schallberger's information, what do we know? Tap water is dead water. Water looks like water, true, but not all water is the same when you measure it. So this water you drink, jump around, you'll feel it sloshing in your stomach, okay, because it's not penetrating, because it all has to do with the bonding of the hydrogen to the oxygen and the ability to be absorbed into your cells. Okay, so next bottle we have is the Kangen ionized water, famous Japanese water, 9.5 pH level, okay? It's smooth energy, and as you can see, lots of life force in there. Certainly beats tap water by many miles. Okay, so wands open up once again. This is the life force. Drink Kangen water, you get better hydration, helps your body to become perhaps more alkaline. So, it's good, okay? So the next thing is, let's take the colloidal silver water. And I make this water too, and we know that silver has many great properties to take care of bacteria and all kinds of stuff like that, the bad bugs, okay? The bad things that perhaps could bring your body down. So, also great energy. All right, so now we can also work with the John Ellis water. So there we have John Ellis's water. It's been around for 20 some odd years, unique and profound abilities to help your body in its healing perspective. Okay, watch what happens. This is the initial wave, but the way the waves come, and previously testing this, you can see like, whoa, the energy really rolls out, harmonizes, and now it's all the cells become more attuned with the energy of John Ellis water. harmonizes in the body. And just like these wands and myself, we become one. The water becomes one with you because your body is water. So it's effectively now increasing the life force. So how would you like to have more energy? People drink energy drinks, but they're full of sugars and all kinds of other stuff that is really nasty. They might give you a jolt, but in the end, we've known that people have died drinking all these sort of monstrous type of drinks. Okay, once again, we're coming. I can feel it to the edge of his field now. You can see how the waves are coming strong, energizing, and they start to harmonize. Start to slow down a bit. Watch how the right wand is still spinning, but the left one has neutralized. So it's really kind of working on the right side. Body is loving it. Or it's actually his left side, my right side. And when I did the body energies of him testing, that's exactly what showed. He was weaker on the left side, so this is having a profound effect on him. Okay, once again, we've boosted that. Everything is harmonized. His energy field is going up. And we're going quite a ways with this. So certainly beats everything. Once again, we've reached the point, and it's working on his energy, boosting his cells. His left side, my right side. His left side is the weaker side. So those cells, tissues, organs are benefiting it massively. Okay, there you are. Amazing stuff. Okay, Jay, grab the Kangen water. And okay, so now we got Kangen water and John Ellis's water. Do your research. This is an incredible. This man is an engineer, and again, the Sloan Kettering Institute has used it to work on helping people with cancers, and apparently, yeah, it's had some profound effects for people being helped. But it's really smoothing out the Kangen water. Amazing, that combination. So it's even better than tap water. So if you really want to get a kick going out of your Kangen water, combine it with John Ellis's water. It is just amazing. Look how much further we are able to go. So there you have it. Okay, water is just not water from the way it looks, but it's about water, the energy, and the water structure. Amazing stuff. Let's take my Lifeforce card for 1 minute, okay? And we'll test it with that, and then you grab the John Ellis's water. But here we're doing the Lifeforce card, and then we're gonna combine that with the John Ellis's water. So you can see the Lifeforce card by itself is pretty big, okay? There we have Jay there in the distance right now. This is just a little Lifeforce card. We've got 3 different sizes. Okay, there we have it. So grab the Ellis's water. I'll combine that with the card, right? Once again. Seems to smoothen out quicker. I mean, nature is full of energy. We're really being bathed in an ocean of energy. So, and it's all about these energies harmonizing and synchronizing. And it's what we see what's happening as the wands change in the way that it's rotating. Okay, so the body, the energy from the card, and the water have harmonized, and they are changing the life force. It's all about that. The more life force, the more life. And you live a life, you're born a life, to live a life, to have a life. So enjoy the journey and make it worth your while. Become more one with nature. It's your healer. And that combination is just really smooth. So many different answers, combinations of water, the energy card, and certainly the John Ellis's water. I can just keep on going back. This is freaking amazing. I can feel the waves coming my way. And once again, when I have these wands in my hands, the wands in me become one, and I can sense things so much sharper. When you get in tune like this, they say there's up to 105 more senses that we have beyond the 5 senses. Who knows how many there are exactly? I'm just going by information that I've come across. But look at this. This is non-stop with that little card. I mean, we're going almost across. So that combination of the card and the water is so amazing. Here we are, almost covered the whole length of this park here, of this playing field in the park. So yeah, thank you once again for being with us and witnessing this information. I trust that this will be for your benefit. And if this is something new, something strange, check it out. See what's going on. Do your own little research on quantum energy. Everything is energy. Everything is frequency, vibration, because that's what everything in the universe is sound, is light. But energy generally tends not to be visible. With my wands, I'm able to measure the effects. So thank you, have a great day, enjoy. Please share, subscribe. Thank you once again.